Hey tech persons, now we are going to explore the top features that make Python one of the most popular programming language in the world. Let's dive in. Python is an interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means you can run your code line by line and see the results immediately. This makes debugging and testing much easier. While coming to its cross-platform compatibility, Python is cross-platform, meaning you can run it on Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. Write your code once, and it will work on any system. And Python is dynamic typing language. Python uses dynamic typing, so you don't need to declare variable types. This makes coding faster and more flexible. While coming to its interpreter, thus when Python assigns it typing, that is called dynamic typing. Otherwise, you don't need to declare variable types there. And Python is an object oriented and functional programming. Python supports both object oriented and functional programming paradigm. This gives you the flexibility to use the approach that best suits your project. When coming to the high level, Python as high level language, it abstracts away most of the complex details of the computer's hardware, makes Python more readable and easier to write and maintain. While coming to its conclusion, so there you have its Python top features that make it a go-to language for developers around the world.